Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Recool for sponsoring today's video. We're going to definitely go inside and see what we have in store. Now this is a box. This is Waterwave hair, 22 inches. It's written on the box so you won't get mixed up. Now this is the wig. And it is completely secure until it's time for you to install it. I'm going to take everything off. And it's Waterwave, 22 inches. It's beautiful. It's also a glueless wig. You guys see, everything is already there. The lace is cut, the middle part is there. So this is the perfect wig. I love this company here. Quality is amazing. Look at that, those curls are so juicy. It comes with a adjustable band, clip in the middle, in the back. We have two on the sides. Love it. And it is also a breathable cap. Now let's talk about the lace. The lace is pre-bleach, so that's pretty good. Love it. I love the knot and everything, so we can just add this wig on without doing anything to it. You see that? Completely for someone who is a beginner to wigs, who want to get something to take off in the summertime. This is the wig for you. So thank you so much to Recool for this hair. We're definitely going to do our thing and install it. Look at that lace. It's beautiful. It's already bleached. So this is for persons who cannot do their hair, don't have the money to spend. You can just definitely order this wig. Everything will be in the description bar down below, the exact wig and their website as well. We also received some goodies in this bag, and we're going to go through those. Let's see, because you don't just get the hair, you'll get a comb, you'll get caps to add on your head, you get a brush, hedge brush, you get clips to help you, a headband, you get a sleeping cap, lashes, look at that, and you get a band to hold on your head, or your hair rather, if you decided to do the install with glue, and their name is on it. So thank you so much to Recool for sending this beautiful wig. We're definitely gonna finesse this hair. Even if I run my hands through it, this hair is, look at that, it's beautiful, right? I'm gonna go ahead and do some customization, which it doesn't need anything. I'm just gonna go in and see what I can do just to make it better for myself. So I love it. The curls are so juicy. Let's get to the install. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and made the part a little bit deeper. We're gonna go ahead and spray down the wig. I'm gonna add some mousse to it. Installation. Anyway, this installation is real simple and easy for the summertime. It's gonna be like, you know, something for you guys because it's summer, time is hot. So I want to show you guys the wig. It's right here. Look at it. It's like the quality of this wig, child, it's to die for, okay? And this hair, the installation is gonna be super easy because there's really nothing to do. It's a closure wig. I showed you guys when I was doing this, and this is nothing really for you to not get, because it's something that, let me just try and slip this on. We're gonna take it off back because I like to go in and style my wig. But just look at this. That's just how simple and easy this is. This is snug on the head. Nothing is needed on this wig. Recool, you did well with this one. I went ahead and add some water and stuff to it just to kind of jazz it up for today. What I'm gonna do, definitely, I'm thinking about adding some baby hair. We don't need nothing on this wig, but I'm gonna do a little something. I think I like it like this. What do you guys think? I just kind of bring it over. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, I want up here to look a little bit more natural, so we're gonna do our makeup. This is super easy. Like, you don't need nothing. I'm gonna do my makeup. We're gonna definitely go in and do a little bit of plucking, and then I'll be back. Look at this. Slip on like that. But we're gonna fix the top. The lace is excellent. I went ahead and did some plucking to this. Look at the curls. Ooh, it is so nice. Let's do our makeup and then let's come back and fix the head. We're gonna soften up top some more so it looks more natural because it's a closure wig. You see that? Yes. Alright, let's get into it. I'm not gonna lie. This is 22 inches. It's Waterwave. So you see, it looks like a deep wave wig, but it's a Waterwave wig. But look at this. Slay. Ooh, makeup is looking nice. Hair is slay. I went ahead and just tied this down just for it to have a little bit more realistic look. There's nothing there. But also, I feel like I want to let's add some makeup right here. Just to blend out everything. And I'm going to soften the curls. Like, I'm just gonna add some mousse up here. And just get the top to be softened and more relaxed. What do you guys think? No baby ear, no nothing. I'm just gonna leave it looking natural like this. I want to make sure the curls are really soft and juicy at the top right here. Alright. And then we're gonna leave this like this, and I'm gonna tie it down for like 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys. Because I really want it to be so soft. It's so good. Alright, give me a few minutes. Let's tie this down and then I'll be back. Let's talk about this hair, this wig. That is so beautiful. First of all, this hair is from Recool Hair. It's 22 inches in length. Look at that. So cute. For some reason, I feel like I wanted to razor cut some of this right here. What do you guys think? Just kind of, you know, zazz it. A little bit. Like so. Yes. Just give it a little bit more fuller look, coming down. You know, sometimes I feel like doing this kind of give the ear a little bit more element. If that's the case. I just felt like using that word. But once you roll it up, it's gonna be cute. See, I like it. I feel like I like it like this. Let me just jazz up the end. Alright, so this here is glueless. You guys can definitely slip this on. It's easy to wear for the summertime. It's Waterwave, 22 inches. You can get a longer length, shorter length, doesn't matter. Or if you feel like you need a different curl pattern, go on their website. It's going to be in the description. Shop Recool here. I always work with this company and it just never fails. I want to show you how snug the back of my hair is. Hold on. You guys see that? And I just slipped this wig on. You can do it like this. It's cute, girl. It's cute, girl. It's Kevin. Look at the curl. It's glueless, y'all. It is glueless. Look. So shop Recool here, and thank you Recool for sending me this beautiful wig. The curls are soft. That's what I love. And I kind of wake up this area just so it doesn't look too flat or too flat, because I feel like if you want your wig to look natural, especially a curly wig, this is the way to go. You know, add some mousse at the top and it will look so natural. So I love this wig. I will be wearing this one because it's just a slip on and slip it off. So thank you Recool, and thank you guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the cute slow-mo.